Good morning children. Today we are going to start exercise 7.3 and question is complete the following table. In this table length is given, breadth is given and you have to find out area. We know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Why it is area of a rectangle? Because two measurements are given. That's why we will use area of a rectangle. Formula of area of a rectangle, length into breadth. So what we will do? We will multiply length and breadth and we get area. Length is 11, breadth is 5, so 55. And centimeter when multiplied we get square centimeter. So 11 into 5, 55 square centimeter is the area of first part. Second is 25 centimeter into 21 centimeter. When we multiply, we get 525 square centimeter. Come to fourth part. Here, length is 100 centimeter and breadth is 11 meter. See children, these two units are different. Here centimeter is given and here meter is given. We know that 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So it will be 1 meter. 1 into 11 is 11 meter square. Means 11 square meter is the area of fourth part. In the same way you will do fifth part. Question B is find the area of squares with the following sides. The first one is 12 centimeter. You have to find area of a square whose length is 12 centimeter. We know area of a square equal to side into side. We multiply 12 centimeter by 12 centimeter. When we multiply these two, we get 144 square centimeter. In the same way, using the formula, you will do all parts. 7.3 question C. Solve these word problems. The first is find the area of a square piece of land of side 25 meter. Applying the formula, we get 624 square meter. Therefore, the area of a square piece of land is 625 square meter. Now, second part is what will be the area of a rectangle of length 14 meter and breadth 12 meter. So again, you have to apply the formula of area of a rectangle to find the area of a rectangle. So length into breadth equal to 168 square meter. So therefore, area of a rectangle is 168 square meter. Now third is a square field has perimeter of 480 meter. What is the length of its side? Find the area of the field. This question is to be solved in two parts. Firstly, you have to find side when perimeter is given. So perimeter of square field is 480 meter and we know that side equal to perimeter upon 4 because perimeter of a square is side into 4. 4 into side is the perimeter. So what we do? We divide to find out side. What we do? Perimeter divided by 4. What is perimeter given? Kitna perimeter given hai? 480 meter. We know side. How many equal sides are there? 4. We will divide by 4. 480 divided by 4. So we get 120 meter. Side is 120 meter. Now the second part, you have to find out area of a square field. When you know the side, you can find out area of a square field using the formula side into side. 120 meter into 120 meter we get 14400 square meter. So area of a square field is 14400 square meter. Now fourth is what will be the cost of mowing grass in a rectangular field 240 meter long and 120 meter wide at rupees 10 per square meter. So क्वेश्चन क्या है? एक आपका रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड है जिसकी डायमेंशंस है 240 मीटर एंड 120 मीटर. उसमें कुछ ग्रास लगी है, उसको ग्रास को कट करना है. उसको कट करने के लिए कॉस्ट है ₹10 पर स्क्वायर मीटर. उसकी कॉस्ट आएगी उसको कट करने की. सो लेट अस फाइंड फर्स्टली द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड. उस फील्ड की एरिया हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू वी गेट 28800 square meter. This is the area of rectangular field. The cost of mowing 1 square meter grass is ₹10. So the cost of mowing 28800 square meter grass is ₹10 into 28800. So when we multiply these two, we get ₹2,88,000. तो ग्रास को कट करने की कॉस्ट है ₹10 पर स्क्वायर मीटर. तो 28800 स्क्वायर मीटर ग्रास को कट करने की कॉस्ट आएगी 2,88,000. Therefore, the cost of mowing 28800 square meter grass is ₹2,88,000. The fifth part is find the cost of leveling a badminton court 132 meter long and 58 meter broad at the rate of ₹10 per square meter. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है, एक बैडमिंटन कोर्ट है जिसको आपको लेवल करना है. बैडमिंटन कोर्ट की डायमेंशंस हैं 132 मीटर एंड 58 मीटर. सो फर्स्टली फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ बैडमिंटन कोर्ट. कैसे करेंगे, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. When we multiply these two, we get 7656 square meter. So the area of badminton court is 7656 square meter. The cost of leveling 1 square meter court is given as ₹10, and you have to find out the cost of leveling 7656 square meter court. When we multiply these two, you get ₹76,560. Means क्या है, कॉस्ट ऑफ लेवलिंग 1 स्क्वायर मीटर को लेवल करने के लिए आपकी कॉस्ट आती है ₹10. तो 7656 स्क्वायर मीटर कोर्ट को लेवल करने की कॉस्ट कितनी आएगी, व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू वी गेट आंसर. Therefore, the cost of leveling 7656 square meter badminton court is ₹76,560. Now, question 6 is 100 bricks, each of length 24 centimeter and breadth 15 centimeter are used to tile a path. What is the area of the path? So, what you have to find? Now, in this question, what you have to do? आपको क्या करना है, आपको एक ब्रिक की लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ गिवन है और उस पाथ में 100 ब्रिक्स लगी हैं. तो आपको उस पाथ का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. मीन्स एक ब्रिक का मेजरमेंट गिवन है और 100 ब्रिक्स लगी हैं, तो टोटल जो आपका एरिया ऑफ पाथ है वो क्या है, ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ अ ब्रिक बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. सो यू गॉट 360 square centimeter is the area of one brick. So area of path कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स इनटू एरिया ऑफ अ ब्रिक. एक ब्रिक का एरिया और टोटल ब्रिक्स कितनी हमने यूज की है, 100. सो व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू we get 36,000 square centimeter. So the area of the path is 36,000 square centimeter. Question 7 is find the area of a wall of a classroom which has 4.5 meter height and 21 meter long. So area of a wall of a classroom, length into breadth. You will multiply the given dimensions to get area of a wall of a classroom. So multiply these two. So we simply multiply these two numbers and we get 945. Because there is one decimal place, we will put one decimal here. So the area of the wall of a classroom is 94.5 square meter. देखिए जितने डेसिमल होते हैं उतने डेसिमल हम लगाते हैं. डेसिमल के बाद 1 प्लेस है, सो 1 डेसिमल प्लेस वी विल पुट हियर. सो द आंसर विल बी 94.5 स्क्वायर मीटर. दिस ऑल यू विल लर्न इन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर डेसिमल. Question 8 is how many tiles each of length 8 cm and breadth 5 cm are needed to tile the floor of a dining space 400 cm long and 2 cm wide. आपको डाइनिंग स्पेस का मेजरमेंट गिवन है, वहां पर आपको कुछ टाइल्स लगानी है और हर एक टाइल की लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ आपको गिवन है। तो बोल रहे हैं वहां पर कितनी टाइल्स लगेंगी ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना है। सो राइट डाउन द मेजरमेंट ऑफ फ्लोर एंड मेजरमेंट ऑफ टाइल। लेंथ ऑफ फ्लोर 400 centimeter, breadth of the floor 200 centimeter. Length of a tile 8 centimeter, breadth of a tile 5 centimeter. Then find out number of tiles needed using the formula. So write down measurement of the floor divided by measurement of a tile. So 400 centimeter into 200 centimeter divided by 8 centimeter into 5 centimeter. When we cancel 400 by 8, we get 50. 8, 5 the 40 and 0. So here we get 50. Now 5 and 200. So 5 on the 5, 5 4 the 20. So we get 40 here. So what we have got? 50 and 40. So 50 into 40 we get 200 tiles. Therefore 200 tiles are needed to tile the floor of a dining space. Hope all these questions are clear to you now. That's all for today. Bye-bye.